Hello lovely beaders! We are all busy buying or making our Christmas gifts just now. So if you want to get inspired and want some designs of beaded jewelry which are quite heavy on the sparkle factor, then just keep watching my channel and look for the Christmas Makes 2021 playlist, where you will find all the tutorials as they are published every Sunday until Christmas time. Happy beading! Ciao ciao! And here we have a quick presentation of all the designs that will be part of our Christmas 2021 collection.